Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. So, this is our video for our phonics lesson. But really quick, I just want to remind you about our drive-through trick-or-treating event on Friday, the 30th from 11:30 to 1:30. So, I hope I can see all of you guys there. I'm really excited to see what kind of costumes you guys have. Okay, so for phonics today, we are going to talk about words that don't belong, short O, and we're going to learn 4 new sight words. So we're going to head on over to our sound spelling tiles and work on our short O sound. Okay, friends, so here is our letter O, like an octopus. And there's our cool little octopus right there. And this is the VIP sound of the week. So our very important sound of the week, okay? So it's a short O, and O by itself says ah. So O says ah, kind of like when you're at the doctor until you say ah, like that. So O says ah. We're going to say that 3 times all together. Here we go. O says ah. Again, O says ah. One more time. O says ah. Awesome job, friends. You are doing a great job. So we're going to head on over to our letter tiles and we're going to work on building some short O words. Okay, friends, so we are going to build 4 words. But first, we're going to review each sound of the letters that we have ready. So we know this sound, we just reviewed it. It's our VIP sound of the week. And remember, O says ah. So we're going to do that all together one time. Here we go. O says ah. Good job. And our next letter is the letter P. And remember, P says P. So we're going to do that all together one time. Here we go. P says P. Good job, friends. And our next letter is the letter D, as in dog. And remember, the letter D says D. D. So we're going to do that all together. D says D. Awesome job, friends. And now we have our letter N, as in net. And remember, N says N. Okay? So we're going to say that all together. Here we go. N says N. Good job, friends. And our next letter is the letter T, as in turtle. And remember, T says T. So we're going to do that all together one time. Here we go. T says T. Good job, friends. And our next letter is the letter J, as in jam, like we put some jam on our toast. And remember, J says J. So we're going to do that all together one time. Here we go. J says J. Good job, friends. And last but not least, we have our letter B, as in boy. And remember, B says B. So we're going to do that all together one time. Here we go. B says B. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to start building some short O words. So our first word is not. Like you cannot do that. So let's sound that out. Ah, t. Ah, t. Okay. Now, what letter makes that sound? Oh yeah, that's our N. So we have N, because that makes our sound. And then we have ah, that's our letter O, our VIP sound of the week. We know that one. Ah, t. Well, we know that's our letter T. So we have ah, t. Not. Not. Like you cannot do that. Awesome job, friends. I'm going to give you the next word, and I want you to try to spell it on your paper. So your next word is job. Job. Like when you are a grown-up, you get a job. Job. So go ahead and pause the video and then come back when you finish spelling your word. Okay, friends, here we go. J-A-B. J-A-B. So we have J. We know that's our letter J, as in jam. J-A-B. We know that's our VIP sound of the week, short O. J, A, B, B. We know that's our letter B. Go ahead and kiss your brain. Mwah. We are so smart. So we have J, A, B. Job. Job. Awesome job, friends. Okay, your next word is dot. Dot. Like there was a dot on the paper. So I want you to pause the video and write down your spelling for dot and then come back when you are ready. Okay, friends, here we go. We're going to spell dot. D, D. Well, we know that's our letter D, like in dog. D, D, D. Ah, ah. Well, that's our VIP sound of the week, short O. D, ah, T. And that's our letter T as in turtle. So we have D, ah, T. Dot. Dot. Awesome job, friends. One more word and then we're going to move on. Your last word is pot. Like you cook chili in a pot. So go ahead and pause the video, and then whenever you're ready, you can go ahead, resume, and see how to spell it. Okay, friends. So here we go. We're going to spell pot. P, A, T. So let's start with our beginning sound. P, P, P. We know that's our letter P. P, P, P. So we have P, A. So our middle sound is A. And we know that's our VIP letter and sound of the week, short O. So we have P, A, T. And our ending sound is T, which is our letter T as in turtle. So we have P, A, T. Pot. Pot, like you cook chili in a pot. Okay, friends, you did an awesome job. Next up, we're going to learn or talk about which word doesn't belong. Okay, friends, so now we're going to talk about which word doesn't belong based on their middle sound. Okay, and the middle sound is just the sound that's in the middle. So, like in our word pot, P, A, T, our middle sound was ah, or our short O sound. So, here is our first set of words, and I'm going to model for you. So we have mop, mop. So our middle sound is ah, which is our short O. We have it. Our middle sound is I, which is I. And our last word is cob. K, a, b. Well, our middle sound is short O again. So, which word doesn't belong? Mop. That has the ah or short O sound. Cob, that has the ah or short O sound. Or sit, which has I or the short I sound. So, which one has a different middle sound? Well, that's sit. It's the only one that doesn't have our short O sound. So that is our word that doesn't belong. So now I'm going to help you through some other word sets. And Miss Greyhouse has her word sets written down. So we have mom, sat, and hot. Mom, sat, and hot. So I want you to think about those middle sounds. So ah, that's our short O sound in mom. S, ah, that's short A in sat. And ah, that's our short O sound again in hot. So we have mom, sat, and hot. So I want you to think for a second about which of those words don't belong. Okay, friends, if you said sat, good job, because mom and hot both have the short O sound, ah, and sat has the short A sound, which is ah. So you did an awesome job. Okay, friends, we're going to do one more. Sad, doll, and bag. So those are your three words. Sad, doll, and bag. And this one's a little tricky. but that's okay because we're so smart and we're growing our brains so much right now. So sad, s, ah, our middle sound is short A, d, sad. So sad, short A sound. D, ah, l, ah, that's our short O sound in the middle for doll. B, ah, g, ah, that's our short A sound. So we have sad with short A, doll with short O, and bag with short A. So think about which word doesn't belong. Well, sad has short A, bag has short A, but doll has short O. So that means it must be doll that doesn't belong. Awesome job, friends. 2 thumbs up from Miss Greyhouse. Okay, now we're going to head on over to our high frequency words and learn 4 new words today. Okay, friends, so remember we're going to read, spell, and write each of our words. So this is our first word, and our first word is fun. Like we like to have fun at school, or Halloween is so much fun. So fun, we're going to read it 3 times all together. Here we go. Fun. Again, fun. One more time. Fun. Awesome job, friends. You are killing it. And now we're going to spell it just like this. F-U-N, fun, 3 times all together. Here we go. F-U-N, fun. Again, F-U-N, fun. One more time. F-U-N, fun. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to write it in the air with our magic letters just like this. F-U-N, fun, 3 times all together. Here we go, guys. F-U-N, fun. Again, F-U-N, fun. One more time. F-U-N, fun. Awesome job, friends. Our next sight word is make. Like I like to make cake, or we can make it on time. So this is make. We're going to read it 3 times all together. Here we go. Make. Again, make. One more time, make. Awesome job, friends. And now we're going to spell it just like this. M-A-K-E, make. 3 times all together. Here we go. M-A-K-E, make. Again, M-A-K-E, make. One more time. M-A-K-E, make. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to spell it in the air with our magic letters just like this. M-A-K-E, make. 3 times all together. Here we go. M-A-K-E, make. Again, M-A-K-E, make. One more time. M-A-K-E, make. Awesome job, friends. Our next sight word is they. They like to hang out together. They like to play on the playground. They. We're going to read it 3 times all together. Here we go. They. Again, they. One more time. They. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to spell it 3 times, just like this. T-H-E-Y, they. 3 times all together. Here we go. T-H-E-Y, they. Again, T-H-E-Y, they. One more time. T-H-E-Y, they. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to spell it in the air using our magic letters just like this. T-H-E-Y, they. Again, T-H-E-Y, they. One more time. T-H-E-Y, they. Awesome job, friends. Our last sight word today is to. Like, I like to do that too. He can do that too. So we have to. T-O-O, okay? To. 3 times all together. Here we go. To. Again. To. One more time. To. Now we're going to spell it 3 times just like this. T-O-O-2. All together. Here we go. T-O-O-2. Again. T-O-O-2. One more time. T-O-O-2. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to write it in the air with our magic letters just like this. T-O-O-2. Okay, so we're going to do it 3 times all together. Here we go. T-O-O-2. Again, T-O-O-2. One more time. T-O-O-2. Awesome job, friends. You guys did a great job. We talked about words that don't belong, short O sound, and our 4 new high frequency words. I will see you friends later. Bye.